Yeah, hello. Yeah, today let's understand how to install Git-SCM, Git source code management. Yeah, so basically we will be doing Git bash, right, for the pushing the codes or for like using Git technology. So we need to use this Git-SCM application. First, we have to install. What basically it does it like for Windows, since Git is based on Linux operating system. So we will be using Windows. This all the commands and all programming it is written in Linux. So after installing this Git now, so we will be able to use Linux command in our Windows operating system. So basically what we are doing here. So we will go to this website, official website Git-SCM, and we will download the same, and we will install it. Like I'll show you how to do that. So go to any Google search or something. Just go Git SCM, search Git SCM. This first website it is coming, no? So this you have to click Git SCM. Then you go for download for Windows, the latest version, and you can check your system configuration. What is your properties here by using this? If it is like 64-bit, you can go for 64-bit processor. It is there. If it is your system is 32-bit, then you can go for this 32-bit. So as I checked, for me it is 64-bit. So I am downloading this 64-bit that is for Windows setup. So yeah, just download this exe file. It will take like 2-3 minutes. So after downloading, you have to just run this installer. This is actually installer, it is not an app. So this is a installer. So you have, so yeah, it's got downloaded. So just click on it and just give the permission, yes, and do like the common steps next. So you have to do if you want to change this like I have already installed this Git, so they are telling key already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anywhere else? So I will choose no, but you have to choose yes and go next. So go next you have to do. So all the things will be difficult like default. So it is not a difficult task. So you just go to manual process like next, and there now it is getting installed. So basically, after getting installed, how you will verify key it is installed or not in the system? Like you have to just first thing is you will go to any file location, any folder. Just suppose this is the folder location Kubernetes. So just don't don't select any file, don't select any folder. Just right click on this and go to show more option. You will see Git bash here. If it is not installed now, so it will not show Git bash here. This option will not come only. So there is like that is the one method to check if it is installed or not. Other method is you can go command prompt. Okay, like you can check which Git or Git version you can type, and it will show you the version. So underscore version you have to type. So basically, this is the way how you can check. So command prompt you have to install in administrator prompt. Run as administrator. Yeah. So git So if you type git also, it will show something. Yeah, this thing is coming now. So it means the git is installed. So also you can type which git. This is the command for check the version. Which git. So it is not showing now, but yeah, it will be coming. So you can see, yeah, git version. You can type git underscore underscore version, and you can see the 2.3.39.2 is the version of git. So it means it got installed, and you can do git bash here or whatever you want. Suppose like if you want to like I showed you know how to connect to EC2 instance, EC2 server from AWS. That also I'll tell you, like this I have already shown you, like how to do git bash and all. Yeah, so basically that's all for the git.